So guys, in today's video, top trading strategies. I'm going to save your time and save your money. I'm going to teach you my secret, and I'm also going to share with you how to make profits in the cryptocurrency market every single day using scalping on a 5-minute time frame. And also I'm going to teach you how to turn $100 into $10,000 in just 1 month. If you like all that, stay tuned. Hello guys, and welcome to my video. If you don't know me, then my name is Musti and I bring you videos every day teaching you how to make money in the cryptocurrency market. So in today's video, our topic is a trading strategy. So in this cryptocurrency world, there are a lot of trading strategies and people are getting caught up with these trading strategies which they don't even know which one to implement and which one to follow. So I want to give you an overview of what type of traders there are and what type of time frames they use. Then I will share with you my trading secrets. So in the first thing that I want to mention is we are talking about scalping. In scalping, scalpers usually use a lower time frame. So scalpers use a time frame of 3 minutes to 5 minutes to maximum 15 minutes. The reason why? Because they want to execute an order for long or short within a short time and high leverage. So scalpers, they will be using a higher leverage with a low volume and lower time frames, right? We are going to use 3 minutes, 5 minutes and 15 minutes with a high leverage and lower time frames. Let me take you to the chart and show you how it works. So guys, I'm gonna take you to Bitcoin chart and show you how this actually working. So in today's video, we need two simple indicators, right? We need, the first indicator is the moving average. So if you don't know how to do that, you just go to indicators and you type in moving average. All right, and you're gonna select your moving average and then you go on with it. So now we have our moving average. The second indicator we're going to use is RSI. So you just basically type in RSI and you go select the first one, which is a relative strength index. So two simple indicators. We don't need no complex, no trending lines, no levels, no Fibonacci retracement. We just need two simple indicators. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn your $100 into $10,000. Guys, look at the chart closely, right? Now, if you don't know how to use moving average, then I'll drop you another link, which is my previous video. I explained to you how to use those moving average and how do you benefit from using moving average. Anyways, let's assume that you've watched my previous video, so you know what moving average means. So in the moving average, the most common ones that we use is the 200 moving average, which is in a blue line on the screen, and we use the 50 moving average, which is in the orange line, right? So let me just eliminate the rest for you. So we don't need this, we don't need that, which I'm sorry, we need this. Yes, right there. All right, so we have 200 moving average and 50 moving average. As I explained in my previous video, if we have the 50 moving average crossing the 200 moving average, we are in a bullish momentum. All right, how do I use this trading crypto? All right, guys, look at the chart. Now, first thing I want to look for, I am already on 5 minutes time frame, right? I am on a 5 minutes time frame. And also, what I am waiting for is a cross. Whenever I see a cross on the trend, I'm going to start to look for trading opportunities, right? So what we have here is a cross on the sand. I am on sand. So you can trade whatever instrument you want. But mostly I trade Bitcoin than other instruments. They have big value, all right? And less leverage. So I am on sand. When I come to sand, I saw a cross, right? We already have a cross. 50 EMA crossing the 200 EMA. Now we are crossing at this point. What I will be waiting for to take my long is a retest of the 200 EMA before another bounce, right? So I want to be as close as I can to the 50 EMA. So we have the cross, we are looking at the chart, we don't have any opportunity to enter right here, right? Because we touch and we went down again, we touch, went down again. Where I will be executing my trade is exactly somewhere around here. So I will be taking my long with a 0.4% stop loss and 0.54 take profit. This is how I do it, guys. All right, and this is how I set my stop loss and take profit, right? So this only works with a 50 50% and 50x leverage, which means that you are going to have to leverage 50x. all right, so if you leverage 100x, if you leverage 200x, 20x, 30x, this is not going to work. This only works with 50x leverage, considering the interest rate that's taken by the exchange. So where I will be taking my long is after a retest of the 50 MA, I will be taking my long right here, and I will place my stop loss of 0.4% and my take profit of 0.54%. So this is the first trade win. Now if you don't know how to set it, then you just have to go right here, grab this and go all the way to 0.54. This is your take profit, and then your stop loss is going to be 0.4%. Now this is the first indicator that I use. Another indicator to confirm that I want to enter long is RSI. So when look at this, notice this guys, when I see my RSI below 30, I will be taking my long position. So where do we see where our RSI is below 30? We go to the chart, and now we are moving in the RSI. Our RSI is below 30 at this point. So where I will be taking my trade is when I see the RSI below 30. So our RSI at this moment is at 22. So I will be taking my long exactly right here. I'll take it from the second candle. So what I will be doing is I'll be setting my stop loss to 0.4, and I will be taking my profit to 0.54, right? I'm taking my profit at 0.54. This is a second trade that's win. Now after a crossover, we have already done two trades, right? Now what if we want to look for a short position? Now for a short position, we are going to look for the exactly opposite. Now the opposite is when we have a 200 EMA crossing the 50 EMA. So we have it right here. All right, let me zoom in this for you. We have this exactly right here. We have the 200 EMA crossing the 50 EMA. So where I will look for my short position is a touch or a retest of the 50 EMA. So we have it right here. What I will be doing basically is going short, and then I will be taking it from the second candle. I will be setting my stop loss at 0.4, and then I will set my take profit at 0.54. And this is a third win trade. So basically this is everything that I do. Now the only secret that I use while trading those instruments, and especially Bitcoin, that I use intrazone. This is the most successful way, the most successful strategy that I use through trading cryptocurrency, even if you are on a high time frame, if you are on a lower time frame, and I'm going to prove it to you right now. So let's go to Bitcoin 15 minutes time frame, right? And right here I'm trying to find my supply zone. So what we mean by a supply zone is basically the zone where buyers are stepping interested to buy a certain instrument, such as Bitcoin. If we are in Bitcoin, then there is an interest zone where buyers are looking to buy Bitcoin, right? So looking at the chart, can you tell where is the interest zone right here? If you look at it, so our interest zone is basically right exact here. Reason why? Because we touch once, bounce, touch two, bounce, touch three, and bounce. So we know that we have an interesting zone. Interest zone is where buyers are stepping in to buy Bitcoin at this price. So what I will do is, if I am not seeing this part of the chart, if I am just seeing this bump, I'm not going to take my trade right here. I'm going to wait for Bitcoin to clean this mess up and to give me a clear retest of the interest zone. So what I will be taking is, I'll be taking my trade exactly right here. I will place my stop loss at 0.44%, and I will take my take profit at 0.54. Considering the interest of the app, I can set it at 0.6, and here we go. This is another winning trade by finding the interest zone. Let me take you to another instrument. Let's go to this chart, and I will show you where is the interest zone on this chart. So can you tell where is our interest zone right here on the chart? If you look at the chart closely, where is our interest zone? Is basically around this area where I put in the line. So we are not seeing this, right? We are not seeing this. We have an interest zone right here. So what we will be doing is we will draw a line at our interest zone, which is right here. Reason why? Because we have already bounced all the way from, look, all the way around 4% from this interest zone. So the reason why I will be trading this, because I know that buyers are waiting for the price to dip to this zone so they can take the long on the Bitcoin. So we went all the way up. We went all the way up. I was waiting. I had already crossed over the on 200 EMA. My RSI is below 30, as I mentioned before. We have a touch of the interest zone. Once we have this touch of the interest zone, I'm going to open my trade on the second candle. So my second candle is going to be this. My stop loss is going to be 0.4%, and my take profit is going to be 0.554 right here. And on 50 times leverage, if you need to make this $100 or turn it into $10,000, all you need is 5 successful trades every day. This is how you turn $100 into $10,000. The point is being patient, not over trading, and not emotional trading. This is the whole thing. You just have to follow simple rules. You have to know when to trade, when to take your trade, and follow just simple strategies and simple indicators such as RSI and 200 EMA, which is nothing simpler than that. So this is everything that I wanted to talk about today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like the video, then please drop that like, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, then just write it in the comment. See you guys in another video.